So we need to remove this original screw behind the headlight. Weirdly, apparently, this part, look from here, you can't find it. You have to come to here, and it's this one. Weird. Okay, 1 and 2. Get him up. Husqvarna. Let's use the extender. Alright, both screws are out. The other one was a pain in the ass to get out. Now this one is going to come from the bottom just like that, from here, and we're going to close it on both sides just like that. Okay, this is in. This is pretty good. Now we're going to remove this from that side. Leave this one as is, and the other side. Beautiful. So we have a long one and a short one with a little washer. So this one goes on the right side on the bike, this one goes on the left side on the bike. So take this one from the left, I'll bring it back. That should be here. That should be here. Now we're going to take it like this, put it inside of here. Okay, we're going to close it not all the way, so we can have some flexibility to close this. Let's put the other one. The one that closed both of those at the top, it seems like number 2. Number 2 is the 16 millimeters, so those are the 2 small ones. Look at those first, because it seems like there's some, it's not going as smooth, so we're just gonna connect them one by one, and hopefully it will work. So small remark, H4 is for the little screws on the side and 10 to close the nut, and then H5 is to close those two, and then H6 is to close the ones on the side. I find it a little crazy. They could do it a little better than that, but it is what it is. There it is. Looking good, pretty sturdy. It's a little moving, but I guess it needs to have some flexibility. I wouldn't trust it to keep the bike safe too much. I think it's a good aesthetics. When I put the bags that I just got in, yeah, looking good. That's for sure. Probably want to put some Loctite maybe on the screws here. This one has the nut, but maybe I'll take those, just put a tiny bit of Loctite just to get him in. That's it. This guy, okay. Then I can tighten it.